Which of the following sentences are conditional sentences? A. While I was studying for mid-exam, my parents were playing video games. B. If I play football, I will play for Manchester United. C. When the waitress set the table, the chef made lunch. D. I won't invite you a slice of cake unless you do your homework. Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about conditional sentences. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. As I said earlier, today we are going to talk about conditional sentences. So, I asked you, which of the above or the aforementioned sentences are conditional sentences? ከነዚህ ከኤ እስከ ዲ ከሰጠኋችሁ አረፍተ ነገሮች ውስጥ conditional sentence የሆኑት የትኞቹ ናቸው ነው? Pause the video and drop your answer in the comment section below. A ነው ወይስ ቢ ነው ወይስ ሲ ነው ወይስ ዲ ነው ወይስ ኤ እና ቢ ነው ወይስ የሚለውን እናንተ መልሳችሁን በኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ አሳውቁኝ። So ዛሬ የምናወራው ስለ conditional sentences ነው። Today we are going to discuss conditional sentences. We are not going to talk about the kinds of conditional sentences. We are not going to talk about the structures of conditional sentences in there if clauses and main clauses. Instead, we will try to focus on what a conditional sentence is. What makes a conditional sentence different from the others? የሚለውን እናያለን። አራቱ የኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ አይነቶች ያው የተለያዩ አይደሉ እነዛን አናይም። ነገር ግን ኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ የሚባሉት ምን አይነት አረፍተ ነገሮች ናቸው የሚባሉትን እናያለን ማለት ነው። የኮንዲሽናል ሰንተንስ አይነቶችን በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እሰራላችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። So if you answer B and D are conditional sentences, you are correct. ቀደም ከሰጠኋችሁ ከኤ እስከ ዲ ከኤ እስከ ዲ ካሉት ውስጥ ቢ እና ዲ ምንድናቸው? conditional sentences ናቸው። ሌሎቹ ኤ እና ሲ ግን conditional sentences አይደሉም። Look, ኤ ምንድነው የሚለው? While I was studying for mid-exam, my parents were playing video games. This is not a conditional sentence. Why it is not a conditional sentence? በኋላ ነግራችኋለሁ። And C ምን ይላል? When the waitresses set the tables, the chef made lunch. This is also not a conditional sentence. Why this is not a conditional sentence? በኋላ ነግራችኋለሁ። But B and D, that means B, if I play football, I will play for Manchester United and I won't invite you a slice of cake unless you do your homework. These two sentences are conditional sentences. Why are these two sentences conditional sentences? Let me tell you the why of that. ለምንድን ነው እነዚህ ሁለቱ conditional sentence የተባሉት ሌሎች ያልተባሉት የሚለውን ልንገራችሁ። Firstly, what is a conditional sentence? Simply you can say any sentence which consists of if clause and main clause is known as a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence የሚባለው ምንድነው? if clause እና main clause በውስጡ የያዘ የአረፍተ ነገር አይነት ምን ይባላል? that is known as a conditional sentence. A sentence to be a conditional sentence, it must be the combination of two clauses. The first one is an if clause and the second one is a main clause. አንድ አረፍተ ነገር conditional sentence ነው ለመባል የግድ ምን ያስፈልገዋል? if clause እና main clause ያስፈልገዋል ማለት ነው። Okay. In addition, you can say if you want to define or describe a conditional sentence with more advanced description, you can say a conditional sentence is a sentence which describes results that are dependent on conditions. So in a single conditional sentence there must be events, there must be results which are dependent on conditions. ልብ በሉ conditional sentence ላይ የግድ ምን ያስፈልገናል? ኢቨንቶች ያስፈልጉናል፣ ሪዘልቶች ያስፈልጉናል። but those results or events must be dependent on conditions. እነዚህ ሪዘልቶች ወይንም ደግሞ እነዚህ ኢቨንቶች ምን ላይ ጥገኛ ናቸው? condition ላይ ጥገኛ ናቸው። they must be dependent on conditions. Okay, we have if clause. As I said moments before, we have if clause, we have main clause. So which clause is used to write a condition and which clause is used to write a result? A result ካለን condition ካለን if clause ካለ main clause ካለ resulትን ለመጻፍ ምን አይነት clause ነው የምንጠቀመው? Do we use if clause or main clause? If you say main clause, you are correct. When you write results, you have to use a main clause. But if you want to write a condition, you have to use an if clause. Conditionun ለመጻፍ if clause ትጠቀማላችሁ። resultun ለመጻፍ ደግሞ ምን ትጠቀማላችሁ? main clauseን ትጠቀማላችሁ ማለት ነው። So we have two clauses. The first one is if clause and the other one is main clause. If you want to write the result, you have to use the main clause. However, if you want to write the condition, you have to use an if clause. Look guys, both if clause and main clause have their own subjects and predicates. ሁለቱም if clauseም main clauseም የራሳቸው የሆነ ምን አላቸው? subject እና predicate አላቸው። If clause has its own subject and predicate, and if a main clause has its own if clause subject and predicate, what is their difference? Look guys, when you write an if clause before the subject, there must be one of the subordinating conjunctions. ምንጊዜም ጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገር በእንግሊዘኛ ስትጽፉ ወይንም ደግሞ if clause በእንግሊዘኛ ስትጽፉ የግድ ምን ያስፈልጋችኋል? ከሳብጀክቱ በፊት subordinating conjunction ያስፈልጋችኋል። ለምሳሌ if your clause starts with if, undoubtedly that is an if clause. In addition, if your clause starts with when, that is if clause, or sometimes we call if clauses are dependent clauses. In addition, if your if clause starts with unless, that is your if clause. ምንጊዜም ጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገሮችን ስንጽፍ በምን መጀመር አለብን? በሰቦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጃንክሽን መጀመር አለብን። ስለዚህ ሰቦርዲኔቲንግ ኮንጃንክሽንስ ከሚባሉት መካከል if, when እና unless ናቸው። እነዚህን ቃላቶች if clauseን ለመጻፍ እንጠቀምባቸዋለን። However, if you want to write your main clause, immediately you have to begin with a subject. ነገር ግን main clause መጻፍ ከፈለጋችሁ ቀጥታ ምን ብላችሁ ነው በምንድነው የምትጀምሩት? በሳብጀክት ነው የምትጀምሩት ማለት ነው። Okay, in addition to that, when we say a sentence is a conditional sentence, it must show a condition result relationship. For example, let's assume you are reading a conditional sentence or you are reading a sentence. When we say a sentence is a conditional sentence, it must show a condition result relationship. For example, let's assume you are reading a sentence and then if you don't get a condition result relationship in that sentence, it is difficult to say that sentence is a conditional sentence. አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ያነበባችሁ ነው እንበል። ከዛ በኋላ condition result relationship የለም። If there is no condition result relationship, believe me, that sentence is not a conditional sentence. በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ condition result relationship ከሌለ ያ አረፍተ ነገር ምን ሊባል አይችልም? conditional sentence ሊባል አይችልም። ስለዚህ a conditional sentence የምንለው ምንድነው? A sentence is a conditional sentence, 1, when it has if clause plus main clause, 2, when it shows a condition result relationship ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So why B and D are conditional sentence? Let's get back to the questions or the sentences that I gave you at the beginning of the video. ለምንድነው B እና D conditional sentence ነው ያልናቸው? Look, under B, or B says, if I play football, comma, I will play for Manchester United. This is a conditional sentence. What is your reason to call this sentence as a conditional sentence? The first one is, this sentence is a combination of two clauses. The first one is your if clause. What is the if clause? If I play football is my if clause. The second one is I have a main clause. That is, I will play for Manchester United. So my main clause also uses a modal auxiliary verb. When you write conditional sentences, you have to use modal auxiliary verbs, especially when you write main clauses. However, there is one conditional sentence. There is one type of conditional sentence that doesn't use a modal auxiliary verb in its main clause. That kind of conditional sentence is known as a zero conditional sentence. ልብ በሉ አብዛኛውን ጊዜ conditional sentence ስትጽፉ main clause ላይ ምን መጠቀም አለባችሁ? modal auxiliary verb። ነገር ግን modal auxiliary verb የማትጠቀም የconditional sentence አይነት አለች። እሷም ማናት? zero conditional sentence ትባላለች። ያን ሌላ ቀን እነግራችኋለሁ። However, dominantly when you write conditional sentences, it is advisable to use modal auxiliary verbs in your main clause, especially if you write first conditional sentence, second conditional sentence, and third conditional sentences. You have to use modal auxiliary verbs in your main clause. Main clause actually ምን መጠቀም አለባችሁ? modal auxiliary verb መጠቀም አለብን። So if I play football, I will play for Manchester United is a conditional sentence. Why? One, because we have if clause. Two, because we have a modal auxiliary verb in our main clause. And the last one is, or the third reason why that sentence is a conditional sentence is because there is a condition result relationship. ለምንድን ነው ይህ አረፍተ ነገር conditional sentence የሆነው? በኢፍ ክሎዝ እና በሜን ክሎዙ መካከል ምን አለ? ወይንም ኢፍ ክሎዝ እና ሜን ክሎዙ ምን ያሳያሉ? condition result relationship ያሳያሉ ነው። D, what is the sentence? I won't invite you a slice of cake unless you do your homework. This is also a conditional sentence. How do you know? The first one is we have an if clause. That if clause is unless you do your homework. Because before the subject you, we have a subordinating conjunction unless. So this is an if clause. And then I won't invite you a slice of cake is a main clause. I won't invite you a slice of cake የሚለው ምንድነው? main clause ነው። So we have if clause, we have main clause. So these two clauses together have a common name. That common name is known as a conditional sentence. This is the first reason. The other one is there is a modal auxiliary verb in my main clause. What is that modal auxiliary verb? It is will. I want ስል will not ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ main clause ላይ modal auxiliary verb አለ. That is a conditional sentence. And the last reason why this sentence is a conditional sentence is because it shows a condition result relationship. ሌላ ምንን ያሳያል? condition result relationship ያሳያል። I won't invite you a slice of cake is the result, and the condition is unless you do your homework. So between these two clauses there is a condition result relationship. However, A and D are not conditional sentences. Why they are not conditional sentences? Let's see them. አንድ ባንድ እናያቸው እስኪ። While I was studying for mid-exam, my parents were playing video games. This is not a conditional sentence. ለምንድን ከተባላችሁ the first one is we don't have if clause. While I was studying for mid-exam is not an if clause. If there is no conditional sentence, look students, there is no if clause at all. Even though while I was studying for mid-exam is not if clause, it is a dependent clause. ምንም እንኳን while I was studying for mid-exam የሚለው if clause ባይሆንም ነገር ግን ምንድነው? ጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገር ነው። why it is a dependent clause? Because before the subject I there is a subordinating conjunction. However, as you probably know, we don't use the subordinating conjunction while to begin our if clause, but you can use while to start your dependent clauses. whileን if clause ለመጻፍ አንጠቀምበትም፣ ነገር ግን dependent clause ለመጻፍ እንጠቀምበታለን። The second one is there is no any modal auxiliary verb in our main clause. What is our main clause? As you can see, my parents were playing video games is my main clause, but there is no any modal auxiliary verb in it, so it is not a conditional sentence. And the last reason why this sentence is not a conditional sentence is because it doesn't show a condition result relationship. ሌላኛው ምንድነው? condition result relationship አያሳይም። ሲ ለምንድነው conditional sentence ያልሆነው? when the waitresses set the tables, comma, the chef made lunch. This is not a conditional sentence. Why? The first one is we don't have if clause. Even though our dependent clause starts with when, that is not an if clause. Instead, it is a dependent clause. This is the first reason. What is the second reason? As you can see, the main clause, the chef made lunch, there is no any modal auxiliary verb. So this is not a conditional sentence. And finally, when the waitress says the tables, comma, the chef made lunch, it doesn't show a condition result relationship አያሳይም። ስለዚህ conditional sentence አይደለም ማለት ነው። So finally, here is my final point. When you want to write if clause, you can use one of the following subordinating conjunctions before your subject. The first one is if, the second one is when, and the last one is unless. And finally, thank you very much, Ender, for sticking around. In the next videos, we will be talking about the kinds of conditional sentences clearly. Until next time, see you soon.